Hey there, this is Nelson Donovan of Estate Law Partners. Hey, I wanted to take a moment to talk to you about the value of working with professionals. Now, so many of us like to DIY things these days. There's so many resources online, YouTube, blogs, practitioner websites, that going it alone seems like a good choice. But in reality, going it alone only gets you so far. The biggest thing that you are exposed to when you're dealing with finances, when you're dealing with taxes, accounting, when you're dealing with estate planning, or even insurance, is the things that you don't know, the questions that you don't know to ask, those unknown unknowns, as a certain politician said in years past. I cannot overstate the value of finding a trusted professional, going through the process of looking at their credentials, seeing if they're a good fit, because the professional brings value to you. The professional brings solutions to you. And so when we think about incapacity, we think about being on a machine that goes beep, we think about passing away. Do you want to let those documents be drafted from a template, something where you're filling in Mad Libs? When we think about making good investment choices, do you want those investment choices to just be random and generic, or maybe something that truly reflects your risk tolerance? And then when it comes to unwinding our assets upon retirement, how do we know which ones to pull first? How do we know what tactically do we spend early in our retirement to save other things for later in our retirement? These are just a couple of the reasons why working with a professional is really in your best interest. So talk to your friends, talk to your neighbors, talk to your family members, find out who they work with, because there's no better recommendation than somebody you already know and trust to see who they know and trust. Look at online reviews. Look at the person, look at the individual in their firm who's going to help you. Are they authentic, or are they just a suit? So again, this is just a quick, brief reminder to truly consider professional advice. It really is in your best interest. You've got your own expertise and professionalism. You know your lane, and we know our lane. So do take some time to consider working with a trusted professional when it comes to your finances, your taxes, your insurance, or your estate planning. Thanks.